Hi, Dada. Eating some more grapes on the patio because I didn't want to go to bed. Corbin's captivated by the sprinkler. His hairs look pretty straight tonight. It's just the way they dried after his bath. But they're still curly down there. Straighter on the top. How are those grapes? Num num? Num num num. Oh. He's watching the sprinkler go back and forth. And I think he sees the rainbow in it too. That's cool. I think you can actually see it on the video. Uh-oh, did you spit that grape out? See if we can see the rainbow. Yeah, there it is. Cool. Yeah, and our trees look good, Daddy? Except for the apricot tree, you can't really see it because it's dead. Only one nap today. Dad. Can you show us your teeth? Show us your top teeth.
No. No. No.
4 on the bottom are pretty obvious. 1 on the top is pretty easy to see if he'll let you. And he's just getting those 2 front ones right now. One's through and the other one's almost through. He's 11 months old now. Getting more teeth and trying to say get you. And just starting to walk. Eat your grape. Just one. One at a time. Eat. You're going to eat 2? Oh my goodness, that's a big bite. Winker. Okay, Mommy's got to cut up some more. No, you shouldn't eat 2. Bye-bye.